Two simple breakfasts, one goal, steady energy all morning. Today, I'm sharing two easy diabetic friendly breakfasts made with everyday ingredients. Simple to prepare, packed with protein, and balanced with healthy fats, colorful vegetables, and smart carbohydrates. Let's get started. Our first breakfast starts with two boiled eggs. Eggs are rich in high quality protein and helps keep you feeling full throughout the morning. Alongside the eggs are green peas. Green peas provide fiber, plant protein, and smart carbohydrates, making them a wonderful addition in a balanced breakfast. Cucumber gives a refreshing crunch, while cherry tomatoes add vitamins and natural flavor. Healthy eating should never look boring. Simple vegetables like these add freshness, fiber, and make every bite more enjoyable. To complete the meal, I added pumpkin seeds and almond, healthy fats, extra nutrients, and a delicious crunch. If a simple, protein-packed breakfast like this is something you want more of, please hit the subscribe button. I share new diabetic friendly and steady energy meals every week. A squeeze of lemon brings everything together. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil adds healthy fats and brings all the flavors together beautifully. Fresh parsley. And of course, I like to enjoy these breakfasts with a warm cup of unsweetened tea. Sometimes the simplest meal are the most satisfying. Now let's build breakfast number 2. This breakfast starts with grilled chicken breast, an excellent source of lean protein that supports steady energy throughout the morning, alongside roasted sweet potato cubes for fiber and smart carbohydrates. To brighten the plate, I added broccoli. This broccoli was sauteed with olive oil and a little salt for fiber and crunch, and cherry tomatoes for natural sweetness. Protein and smart carbohydrates working together without relying on sugar breakfast foods. A handful of almonds adds healthy fats, fiber, and protein to keep you full and support steady energy. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice adds fresh flavor without any added sugar. Pumpkin seed add healthy fats and magnesium, making this breakfast even more nourishing. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil adds healthy fats and brings all the flavors together beautifully. And fresh parsley. And just like breakfast 1, a cup of unsweetened tea. A simple habit every time. Simple ingredients can make a very nourishing meal. These are two simple breakfast ideas that prove healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Whether you choose the egg breakfast or the chicken breakfast, remember the goal is the same. Good protein, colorful vegetables, healthy fats, and smart carbohydrates that support healthy energy throughout the day. Which breakfast will you try first? The egg breakfast or the chicken breakfast? Let me know in the comment section. I did love to hear from you. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Ami Fresh Steady Energy Meals and Diabetic Friendly. Until next time, eat smart, stay steady, and take good care of yourself.